Okay, so the plan now is to expand the train layout a bit. So I bought 2 more tables at IKEA. These, so they are 1 meter long. So the same as this table here. So I can fit 4 base plates. So then I get more straight going that way, and also there, of course. So the plan now is that I need to move the bikes. So I think we're not using the bikes now in winter anyway, so I think I'm going to set the bikes behind here, just store them behind there, not using anything of that before summer anyway. So then I need to move. I have this kind of case here that I just use for wood, so I need to move some of this wood into this one and then push it into the wall. So then I should have room to add 2 more tables. And I also found out that the base plates, when they are a little bit over 25 centimeters, so I need to space the tables a little bit. Need to make some kind of space between the tables, and that won't be shown anyway when I have base plates on top. So I need to do that all around so I don't get this overhang. So now I'm going to clean up a bit here, so I will have room for more Lego. Okay, so now I have cleaned up more space here. So next up now is to assemble some tables. Then we can start to expand the layout afterwards. Okay, so 2 new tables are now added. And also some track. And I also found some more green base plates, so I could cover at least some area here. Okay, so now we have a straight track here of 6 base plates with straight track, and on the short side it's as it was before, only 1 base plate with straights. Makes the curve go a little bit smoother. Yeah, so the plan now is to add a train station right where that box is. That's the train station I'm currently working on, that I've posted some other videos on. There's going to be more videos on that soon. I want to progress on it now. Also going to add a little road that goes from the train station and over here. So I'm going to create a kind of old style gravel road going here, because that's the way it is on that train station. There's also some side buildings on that train station that I'm going to add after I'm finished with the main train station. And after that I'm going to be adding trees, and landscape material. Okay, so the next now is, I think I want to test my train Dovregubben with the carriages that I've added ball bearings on. So I will get it now, and then we can see how it goes. Okay, so now I have found the full train. I had to replace batteries, so fresh batteries in the train, and I have added all the 4 carriages. So I use a S-brick in the locomotive, so I've made a simple controller for now. Gonna add some more graphics to it later, but this works, so let's see then. Here we go. So I haven't shown you guys a video of this train running before. There is one video from an event I was on. But after that event I have geared down the train a bit, so it's not as fast as it was then, but it should be much stronger. But I have tested it here before, and I think that might be just a feeling, but it seems to run a lot smoother now. It doesn't have any issue with taking the 4 carriages all around. And I can't hear or see that it goes slower in the curves than it does on the straights either. Seems to be, let's hear and see. Yeah, okay, maybe a little bit. I think the pitch is a little bit higher when it goes straight here than it does now in the curve. There is also a few centimeters height difference because of the floor is not level, because I want the water to run out of the garage. So there should be maybe 3 centimeters difference. So this is the highest point here. Then it goes down there, so it might be that it's a little bit easier down here than it is on the other side, because that's uphill. 3 centimeters uphill is not much, but might actually affect it. So I think this layout, it helped a lot adding those 2 tables, so I got more straight track. Would be great to have even more, but for now this has to do. I don't have any space for anything more. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for now. The next couple of videos that are related to this layout is going to be the train station. So Thank you for watching and see you later.